Now it's available at McCarthy Cars, Volvo XC60 diesel, 09 plate 2009, metallic black. Car has front fog lights, got panoramic glass roof. Car has rear parking sensors. Car has split folding rear seats. Full black leather, cream leather interior. It's got side and front airbags. 5 headrests, ISOFIX. It's got panoramic glass roof. Four electric windows, got electric and folding mirrors, full electric seats. Car has satellite navigation. Has aux connection, CD. Air conditioning, Bluetooth, telephone connection, push button to start. Automatic transmission. Car has remote control. 2 central cup holders, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control. Thank you for watching.